A very good morning to all of you. In this class, I am going to start with another important topic of chapter Human Health and Disease. And topic is cell-mediated immunity, which is a part of acquired immunity. In previous class, we have already discussed about some part of or some points of acquired immunity. That is, acquired immunity is a specific type of immunity in which the high intensity acquired immunity, and the subtopic is cell mediated immunity. Cell mediated immunity. Now, as we earlier discussed in previous class, in the humoral immunity, that how the immunity get work or destroy the all pathogen which are attacking on our body cells. Now, in the humoral immunity, in the acquired immunity main, the two types of lymphocyte work, B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes, or they get originate from the bone marrow cell, that is stem cell. From the stem cell undergoes in differentiation to form the myeloid progenitor and lymphoid progenitor. From the myeloid progenitor, the other cells get differentiated to form, or myeloid progenitor get differentiated to form the megakaryocyte, which undergoes in the division or in the formation of platelets. Then, after the megakaryocytes, erythroblasts are also present or also get developed from the myeloid precursor, myeloid progenitor. So from the erythrocytes get developed, are also said to be RBCs get developed from the erythroblast. Now, from other cells, from myeloid precursor, that is originate from myeloid progenitor, and myeloid progenitor get originate from stem cell. The myeloid precursor undergoes in the development of different type of cells of WBCs, for example eosinophils, basophils, monocytes, neutrophils. All these cells get developed from the myeloid precursor, and from monocytes macrophages get developed, and the mast cell also get originate from the monocytes, or when they undergoes, the monocyte undergoes in maturation. After the maturation, the macrophages get formed, and the mast cell also get formed from the monocytes. Now, lymphoid progenitor undergoes in the differentiation to form B cell and T cell, that major cells which constitute the acquired immunity, which gain through environment due to the some exposure of viruses on our body. Because of these viruses or pathogens that attack on our body or induce some toxins or release some toxins, on the basis of this toxin, the B cell form specific antibodies. 5 type of antibodies depending upon the type of infection get formed by the B cell. When the B cell undergoes in differentiation to form plasma cells. Now, in humoral immunity, first we discuss about the humoral immunity, where the B cell or B lymphocyte undergoes in differentiation to form plasma cells. Now, plasma cells again differentiate to form undergoes in the synthesis of protein. That type of protein are known as antibodies. So, antibodies mediating immunity is humoral immunity, but in cell mediated immunity, the T cells generate the immunity against any pathogen, any virus, any bacteria, any type of bacteria. Now, what happens in the cell mediated immunity? So, the major role of cell is T lymphocyte. T lymphocyte. undergoes in differentiation to form two type of cell, that two type of T cell. These two type of T cell are also known as T4 cell, CD4 cell, CD4 cell, because they have the cytotoxic domain, or that's why of four type of receptor, that's why they are known as T4 and T8, or also said to be the CD8 and T4 also said, these are also known by the name T helper cell. CD8 also known, or T8 also known as cytotoxin T cell, cytotoxic T cell. So TH is equal to T helper cell, and T C cell is equal to cytotoxin T cell, T cytotoxin toxic. So the name of these T cell depend on the type of work they perform. So whenever the infection cause inside our body, or infection in any part of the body, T cell have ability to migrate at the site of the infection, but B cell do not have such ability, so that they do not transfer at the site of infection. So how the humoral immunity can be mediated? They mediated through the T cell. So indirectly T cells, because B cell do not itself transfer into the at the site of infection. So T cell, actually they have ability, they can transfer, they can migrate in any region of our body, so that they transfer at the site of infection, then identify that infection or antigen with the help of their MSC or cell receptor which are present on the T cells, or known as TCR. Or when they receive the antigen, or identify that antigen, which type of antigen get attack, or which type of antigen attack on our body. So they identify, then knowledge transfer into the B cell. Now B cell are able to recognize that antigen with the help of T cell, or according to the infection, according to the toxicity created by a pathogen, they form antibodies. B cell form antibodies, or through antibodies, when the immunity performed by the immune system is known as humoral immunity. But in case of, if the toxicity is more, as or they are, the B cells and macrophages are not able to fight with that type of viruses or that type of bacteria. So what happened during this time, T lymphocyte undergoes, they first, because they have the T lymphocyte have the TCR over it, or the membrane, over its membrane. So with the help of TCR, T lymphocyte binding cell surface binding receptor, actually present, the receptors present on the cell surface of T lymphocyte, that's why they are known as TCR. So TCR recognize the infection, then recognize the toxicity that are created by any type of pathogen, then they undergoes in differentiation to form the T4 and T8. T helper cell initiate or transfer that signal, that signal to all over our body, or through the bloodstream. Or cytotoxic T cell, when there is formation of cytotoxic T cell, they have ability for proliferation or inject the toxins into the bacterial cell, into the virus cell. So by this medium, the cell mediated immunity performed by the T lymphocytes. So with the help of diagram, we can easily understood with the we can easily understand the whole phenomena of T cell. As we earlier understood that how B cell work or perform humoral immunity. or antibodies perform humoral immunity. So now in this class, how cell mediated immunity performed by the T cell. So as we know that virus or bacteria can enter with the help of any cut or injury on skin. They can be entered with the through the mouth, through the nasal cap, nasal opening and urogenital opening. So these are the openings which are present in our body. Through they can either enter in our body through the different opening or through the any cut or incision done on the skin. Now what happened during any cut or incision done on the skin? So virus or bacteria get easily enter into our body. So the cell, here is the cell of virus. So here is virus, or this one is our, here is skin. Beneath the skin there are our immune system, cells of our immune system. These cells are macrophages or monocytes. Monocytes, as we already know, the monocyte undergoes in differentiation whenever they receive or when they identified the any infection is done near the their site. So they undergoes in differentiation, maturation to form the macrophages. So macrophages perform the first encounter, if any first encounter done by this virus. So macrophages, actually what do the macrophages, can do macrophages? As we know already, the macrophages have the ability of phagocytosis. So they phagocytose that viruses, that incoming viruses, and engulf that virus through the invagination or the food vacuole which is present inside the cell of macrophages, or lysosome, which have lysosomes has enzyme, hydrolytic enzyme and hydrolytic enzyme, so that they with the help of enzyme they destroy the cell of virus. So what happened during this condition when this virus enter into our body? So that is engulfed by the macrophages. First immune response done by macrophages. These are the the 5 phases. As we understood in the humoral immunity, because the already the macrophages are already present in the serum or in the interstitial fluid, or when any virus or viral attack done on our body. So they first macrophages fight with virus. Then if they are not able to fight with this particular virus, because they are more stronger than the macrophages, so they initiate or provide signals to our immune cells. For example, if they engulf this virus or they destroy the cell wall of the virus, these macrophages, for example, destroy this virus, this particular virus, so that they are not able to fight with or infect our cells. But what happened with this virus? When they undergoes in degeneration inside the macrophages, they create the toxicity inside the macrophages, and that by these toxins which are secreted by the virus or the viral infected cell, macrophage now undergoes in degeneration or undergoes in or death cause in macrophages. So macrophages The death of macrophages caused by these viruses which are infected or which are engulfed by the macrophages because they are more stronger than the macrophage. So what happened, they before the death they show the short piece of this antigen over on the MHC or receptor, or this short piece of antigen recognized by this short piece of antigen recognized by T lymphocyte receptor. Here is TCR receptor which help in the recognition of these antigen that are that antigen shown by the macrophages after the infection with virus. Now when they receive or identify that antigen, they proliferate into two or the cells. They also provide the signals to the cell that are already present in our body before the viral attack. That is some amount of T helper cell or T cytotoxin T cell already present in our body. The cytotoxin T cell or T helper cell. Now, what happened during this time? Another mechanism also initiated by the macrophages, because the viral infected cells trigger or initiate the formation of some signals. They release some signals in the form of protein, in the form of interferons. So some signals are also released by these macrophages. These signals are known as interferons. These signals released by the virus infected macrophages. After the releasing of interferons, some of the other immune cells also get triggered. Humoral immunity also mediated by the same interferon. But the type of subtype of interferon also present in our body, so that they what happened during the infection, the type of interferon or cytokinin or interferon or interleukin, these are the type of signals produced by the viral infected cells. But they are they are specific or totally depend on the type of infection. So if any different type of viruses, the signals the signals released by macrophages are of different type. That is many kind of interferons 1, 4, 6, 12 are actually identified in our body, or they are secreted in specific manner by the macrophages, by the viral infected cells, because they not only infect these macrophages, because macrophages are infected when they undergoes in when they phagocytose these virus, but they already infect some kind of other cells at the site of infection. So these cells, other than the macrophages, the normal cells, body cells, also release the same interferon or interleukin signaling molecule to provide or to transfer the signals or transfer the message that the infections are done on our body by a specific that type of virus. So a specific virus actually attack on our body cell, and the site of infection is this or that, the signals are provided by the other body cells to our immune system. So our immune system cells, B cells or T cells, both work simultaneously to produce two type of immunity: cell mediated immunity or humoral immunity. That means they on the other hand, they also initiate the humoral immunity. They also mediate or also transfer the signals to the B cell. What happened during this T cell also help the B cell so for the initiation of actually T helper cells. T helper cells transfer these signals. These are received by the TCR or what they identified through the receptor, transfer this to the T helper cell. Now T helper cell transfer this message to the B cell. Here is B cell, or B cell now differentiate to plasma to produce antibodies. As we understood earlier that the antibodies mediate the humoral immunity, and now the other hand, the cytotoxic T cell transfer at the site of infection, or where they release where they release toxins so that release toxins into the viral cell, so that the viral cell infected by the toxins released by the T cell. Cytotoxin T cell, because they have the CD8 domain, or through the CD8 domain the protein which are present on the T cell, which are present on the cytotoxic T cell, actually through this the cell of virus undergoes in proliferation, or they proliferate the cell of viruses and then release the toxin inside the cell of viruses. So what happened here? Here is the protein coat of virus. So here is protein coat of virus, where protein coat of virus that is proliferated by the CD domain, which are present over the TC cell, or through the CD domain, because this is specific type of domain, or through this protein or this protein molecule which is present over the cell membrane of TC cell, cytotoxin T cell, are able to proliferate the viral protein coat. Here is virus protein coat. Now they release toxin. These toxin enters into the cell body of virus, into the viral cells. Now, because the CD8 have ability to produce the toxins, which toxins are able to kill that type of virus, or through the CD8, because the special type of protein present at the membrane of the cytotoxin T cells are able to proliferate the coat of virus. So now that type of immunity which are mediated through the cells to the cell cytotoxin T cell, also through some of the other cells, also get natural killer cells also involved in the proliferation of that viruses, or they also trigger, because the signals overall signals which are secreted by the macrophages and the other cells which are present at the site of infection also release the same signal, or that signals are specific, or through that signals already all cells of our immune system identified that what type of viruses attack on our body, or viral attack on our body takes place. So according to the type of infection, the other cells get activated. Other cells of our immune system get activated. For example, if viral attack is not done, or not done our body, some allergic antigens are present, for example, but they are not able to cause disease in our body, but function as antigen, foreign particle, for like in the case of asthma or any allergy. So what happened? Pollen grain function as or as antigen, or they trigger our immune response. Like virus, pollen grains are also treated as like viruses. Like viruses. So when our pollen grain enter in our body, our immune response get triggered, and some of the cells that initiate the signaling like viruses. So through the any allergic response, the mast cell get triggered, because none of virus or antigen like virus denoted by any of the macrophages or any of the cell, because other than no any cell other than the macrophages show that type antigen over their receptors. Only macrophages show after the infection by the viruses, but some of the cells also indicate that the some viral attack our body, they release only interferon, not show the antigen on their MSC on their receptor. So other cells function during the initiation of immunity, during the triggering of immunity. They release only some protein molecule in the form of cytokinin, that is interleukin or interferon. So whenever interleukin concentration increases, when our interleukin release in our body, release in our blood circulatory system, the all immune cells which are present in blood stream, present in lymphoid tissue, present in lymph node, organ, they get activated when they receive such type of interleukin or interferon in our body, in the blood circulatory system, or through which they initiate the all cells other than the T cells and B cells. Some of the immune cells also get activated. These are the mast cell. If any allergic response created by the cell, or cell release interferon, but the antigen are not shown by the macrophages, so the monocyte, because as we know the monocyte also form the second type of cell, that cells are mast cell, that shows the allergic response. So histamine are secreted by mast cell or immunoglobulin, IgE, the type of antibody IgE also initiate the allergic response. Whenever the allergic response done in our body, because the antigen not shown by the macrophages, so the all B cell and T cell not activated by the macrophages, but due to the signals released by the other cells, or that are the false signals or false antigen, so our mast cell get activated, because they only receive the interferon or interleukin and the cytokinins which are present in the bloodstream. So they release the immunoglobulin epsilon, or also sneezing and coughing also initiated during the infection with the pollen grain, or during with the any allergy response actually occur on our body. So but if any infection done with the viruses, so macrophages always shown that small piece of virus, or in the form of epitope, or in the form of short antigen, or that is received by the T lymphocyte through the TCR or cell surface receptors which are present on over the cell membrane of T lymphocyte, that undergoes in differentiation and proliferation to form the two type of T cells. These are T helper cells and T cytotoxin T cell. T helper cell check the function of T helper cell is checking the identity of different type of cells which are present in our body. And cytotoxic T cell have the toxins or also have the protein on the over the their cell membrane, and have ability that CD8 have ability to proliferate perforation cause on the viral membrane. But T helper cell have the CD8. T helper cell have CD8. CD4. T helper cell have CD4 type of membrane receptor. These CD4 only provide the signal to the B cell, or also help in the identification of the antigen that are shown by the macrophages. So overall, these are the some important points of cell mediated immunity which occur through the cytotoxic T cells, mainly are some of the immune cells of our body other than the macrophages, like neutrophils, natural killer cells also show the cell mediated immunity. Although natural killer cell also secrete the toxins so that the viral cell get degenerated. Now here is the overall about the cell mediated immunity. I hope you like this video, so keep listening and watching me, and thank you for listening and watching me.